What's up? We're going for a hike. But before we go on the hike, we gotta get some food. We got our food, we got our musubis. Are we ready to go? We're here, guys. We just got to the hike site, and this is located up Daniel K. Inouye Highway in the Big Island, Hawaii. Volcano Trail for the Daniel K. Inouye Highway. What we're gonna try and do is maybe look for these birds that reside here. The Hawaii o'o and the
Eevee bird.
Eevee.
Oh, I know that bird. I know that bird. But
Yeah? You talked to him before?
No.
How do you know him then? Hey guys, so we're entering the tree line now. And it's about, I'd say up to like 400 feet from where we parked our car. And yeah, we'll see you in the forest. The lights go out and I can't be saved. Tides that I tried to swim against brought me down upon my knees. Oh, I beg and please, singing, come out of things unsaid. So Lana, you needed to take a break?
Yeah.
Why?
Because. Oh, there's another one.
Another what?
There's pile of rocks.
Pile of rocks. How do you feel right now? Your first hike ever?
I don't know.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Okay, so guys, we're about 1.5 miles in. Here is the next tree line. Beyond that tree line is something a little different. It's a little more lush. The floor is covered with leaves. And it's not like this. It's not like dry lava pathway. It's more lush and there's a lot more birds, a lot more bugs.
Okay, bud, why do we have to turn around? You have to what?
Doo-doo.
You have to doodle. So it's time to go back? Yeah. What's wrong with you?
Nothing.
Nothing?
No.
Are you ready to go back?
Yes. This just sucks.
2 miles in, we gotta turn around because our son has to take a dump. It was fun. I'd like to thank you all for joining us on this hike. Super fun. We're back at the car now. We made it. Landon's got to take a dump, so we're out of here. Bye.